Hello everyone. Today we will see the top 10 most scariest short films till now. We had created this list with research and our own opinions. So without wasting time, let's start.
We could be taking control, yeah.
We will start from number 10, The Quiet Zone. The Quiet Zone has been directed and written by Andrew Lonites. A late night commuter confronts a noisy passenger on a train carriage but finds herself trapped in the station with someone or something that wants to silence her too. The duration of the short film is around 9 minutes. Next, number 9, Take Off Your Clothes. Take Off Your Clothes is a short horror film directed and written by Felix Charin. This movie is dedicated to the people around the world living and dying horribly so that we can have cheap clothes. This 9 minutes movie had a great social message. Number 8, Gesture. Gesture is a short horror movie directed and written by Colin Crouchuk. After a closing shift on Halloween night, a man stumbles upon what seems to be the embodiment of Halloween itself. Trick or treat. Honestly saying, I really enjoy this. Most people didn't, but I did. I thought it was a clever and well made, unlike the other reviews says. Needless to say, this horror short movie really stuck to my taste in films. Number 7, Alexia. Alexia is a short horror movie directed and written by Andres Borghi. In Alexia, Franco's ex-girlfriend has been deceased for some time. Franco still has her as a contact on his social network. When he decided to delete her and move on, something strange started to manifest through his computer. I found myself turning away from my screen quite often in the 9-minute time. Also, the effect done on Alexia were absolutely stunning. In our list, Alexia is on 7th place. Number 6, Hi. In India, it is the most famous short horror film. Dr. Ghosh, the character in this movie, after getting back to her flat, she started seeing things. This movie is created by Kishore Kapoor Acting Institute. I love the way they crafted every single frame in the movie. In our top 10 list, Hi is on 6th place. Number 5, 2 AM Smiling Man. This short horror movie is directed by Michael Evans and written by Shun Otsubu. While walking home last one night, a man notices another man walking as well. Only this man has an airy smile. What are his intentions? This was great and it left me with fear chills. I actually had a few nightmares for a week after watching this. This was an extraordinary short film and the actors are great. In our list, this movie is on 5th place. Number 4, Polaroid. The short horror is directed and written by Ben Scotts. A mysterious package arrives at an unsuspecting home. Curiosity turns deadly as the person who opens the box finds a Polaroid camera and snaps a photograph. As they quickly discover taking that photo was a fatal mistake, sometime after, a new victim is chosen with the same package arriving at their doorstep. Director Ben Scotts made this film at only 19 years old, where it played at the National Film Festival for Talented Youth last year. In our list, Polaroid is on 4th place. Number 3, The Cop Cam. The Cop Cam is directed and written by Isaac Rodriguez. Police officer enters in an abandoned house. His body camera records everything. This 2-minute horror movie is very scary. In our list, it is on 3rd place. Number 2, The Hide Behind. Lost deep into the forest, a lone backpacker encounters a peculiar stranger. This short horror is directed and written by Parker Finn. Hide Behind is a fascinating nocturnal creature from American folks that preys upon humans that wander the woods. When someone attempts to look directly at it, the creature hides behind an object or the observer and therefore cannot be directly seen. Therefore, its ability to conceal itself creates some intriguingly playful yet creepy encounters. This only 10-minute short horror from Parker Fink interestingly captures those attributes and made me wonder why there aren't more horror films made about this creature yet. Now the time had came for what you guys are waiting for. The most scariest short horror movie is Lights Out. In 3 short minutes, director David Sandberg created a fantastic horror short. When you are all alone in a smoke dark room, what do you fear the most? Is it the temporary blindness, or is it the uneasy deep feeling that someone, or rather something, is observing you every move? This is one of those movies that could give your child nightmares for weeks before you even knew that they were watching it. This is the movie on first position in our list.